In this video, I will explain why Botcake.io need to use the Google Drive API. Um, First of all, because our user usually need to send interaction data or marketing campaign metrics and other relevant information directly from Botcake to Google spreadsheet. So in this video, I will demo the flow that how our customer usually do. We will come to the part one, that is integrate Botcake with Google API. As you can see here, I already logged into Botcake.io, and then I will go to the integration section and I select connect to Google API. Then I will choose the account that I want to connect. Here, you can see on the screen that there's a warning from Google indicating that connecting to Botcake.io is unsafe. This causes many obstacles and confusions for all of our customers, which is why we really need your permissions to use the Google Drive API. And then if I choose to trust and grant access it, here, there are 5 services that Botcake.io has some access to, and I will explain that why we need this 5 service. The first one is see, edit, create, and delete all of your Google Drive files. This allows Botcake to potentially store or retrieve data relevant to your chatbot interactions. It could be things like customer information or campaign data stored in the Google Sheets, Google spreadsheet. Yeah. The second one is seek, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars you can access using Google Calendar. This access allows Botcake.io to manage calendar, yes, calendar events such as scheduling meetings or reminders related to chatbot activities. Number 3, associate you with your personal info on Google. This helps Botcake.io to identify and associate the Google account with the chatbot service. Number 4 is see your personal info, including any personal info that the customer made publicly available. This allows Botcake.io to access to their publicly available personal information to enhance their chatbot experience. Number 5, see your primary Google account email address. Now, Botcake.io needs these to communicate with the customer and send the notifications or updates related to its service. And this email and the email that we have access to will also be shown in the integration section on Botcake. Then I will continue, and it will redirect me to Botcake page and show that the connection is established. As you can see here, as I said before, as I just said, that the email will be shown here. Yeah. Okay, then we will come to the part 2, is using Google features to update data on Google Sheet. In this video, I will give you an example that the customer want to create a message flow to gather feedback from their clients for their webinar. First, I will create a spreadsheet to store the information with 2 columns. This spreadsheet is test Google API, yes, and it has 2 columns. That is survey 1 and survey 2. Next, I will go to Botcake, create a message flow. Okay, as you can see here, in this message flow has buttons. Yeah, it has buttons containing the customer feedback option. The message flow here, we ask the customer about their experience with the webinar, and then we will create a buttons containing the feedback. Like the button one is dissatisfied, and then this when the customer click on this button, Botcake will set a custom field, yeah, with the corresponding value as shown on screen. Okay, and uh, after setting up all the flow, I will set up the insert role action to send data from Botcake to Google API. I will choose the action connect to Google API, and as you can see here, at this point, yeah, the Google Drive API is very important because we need it to retrieve the list of created spreadsheet. Because and you click here, yeah, it will list the spreadsheet that I already created in Google Sheets. I can choose the spreadsheet that I already created, the worksheet, and then I will select the choose the data, that is survey 1 and survey 2. That this data will fill in the row and save all the action of the customer here, and I will save this flow. Okay, then we'll come to part 3, testing. I will go to the Facebook page and type the keyword Google API to trigger the message flow. Yeah, and then when a message is sent, I will click on the button to send my feedback. For the survey 1, I will choose satisfy. For the survey 2, I will choose just normal. Yeah, and then we will go back to the Google Sheets tab, and you can see here my data has been imported to Google, to spreadsheet. Yeah, and that is the end of my demo video. Thank you.